So I thought we'd do a bit of a status update on the MG. I'll just change the focus here. There you go. Okay, so we've done pretty much the engine bay's finished, with the exception of the engine. Steering rack is now in, ready to take the steering column, which I haven't put in yet. I've got the mounting points for the struts for the bonnet. The bonnet's been put on, but I took it off again, ready to put the engine in when I'm done. The front end's basically done. I haven't put the shrouds on the headlights yet because I've got to adjust them and I don't want to scratch it pulling them on and off. Valence is on, but I've got to yet put the bumper bar on. Upgraded brake booster, which this car didn't have a brake booster, but it has now. All the pretty stuff here is finished. Doors are all done, bling. Whole front end's in and done. All the brake lines are in. It's not full of oil yet, but ready to be bled. Inside is pretty much done, although I pulled the back carpet off just for a minute while I get into the battery box, and I have that side off. But the dash is in, all the instruments are working. I did some tests today on the gauges. The doors are all done. This is just to protect the door when I'm in the workshop. Opening and closing is good. Doors are all finished. Striker plates, all that sort of stuff. It even closes pretty well. You can see the astute amongst you will pick up there's two extra little studs here, this one and two on the other side. This car previously had two full harnesses fitted, and that's where they bolted them down. The back is fully done, and in fact I've taken the liberty of a few upgrades in this car. So let me see, I've got some struts and I've got a boot light. So boot light switch is up here. Yep. Boot is all done. Wiring is all nice and neat. The strut's obviously not original, but geez, it makes it a lot nicer to use when it's like that. Closes pretty well. Anyway, that's all done. Tomorrow we're putting in the differential, and then all I have to do is wait for the engine to come back.